here. Today we're going to activate our VERI SmartMetal NFT using the new manual activation process. This new process was added in order to assist the folks with phones or devices that have been unable to scan the QR code on the back of the silver round due to hardware or software incompatibilities. This process will utilize either a built-in code scanner functionality, such as I'll utilize on my iPhone, or a third-party QR code scanner or reader app available from the App Store. Okay, so let's get started. In the VERI SmartMetal activation guide, we would have got all the way down to step 11 and discovered that, my phone cannot pick up the code. And in fact, my own iPhone 14 Pro has this problem. And so in order to avoid or get around, have a workaround for that issue, what we'll do is scroll down in the guide to the NFT manual activation section. And first step there is we're going to get back into MetaMask and open the URL you see there. So let's do that. I'll open MetaMask. Go to the browser tab, which is the bottom row, second from right. Click the default URL, and we'll type in activate.veri.vip/manual. And this will take us to the manual activation process. So you can read the splash screen there and click Got It. First step, we'll connect our wallet. We'll check our balance. And now the activation app is waiting for us to paste in an activation code. And it's at this point where we would go over to our whichever QR code reader or scanner app we're going to use. In my case, I'll use the built-in Apple code scanner. See, it picks up the code almost immediately. I lost it. So we can copy that code. And now, when you come back over to the activation app, you can paste in that code. And next, what we'll do is we'll click the validate button. And what that's going to do is validate, number one, if that's a valid activation code, and number two, if it's been used or not. And in this case, we'll see that it'll pass the first check of yes, indeed it's a valid activation code. But in this case, I've already used this code to activate an NFT, and so we'll get the code already used message. When I click validate, we see, code already activated. In the real world scenario, this is where, if I switch back over to the instructions, this is where step 15, you would get a valid activation code with the check mark. Go ahead and click activate and then confirm. And that will activate using the cut and paste manual method. And then if you want to import your NFT into MetaMask, optionally, just come back up to the first main activation section on page 2, lower third there, follow the steps to import the NFT. So that's it. Hope that solves your scanning issues. If not, please join us in the Veritaseum official Telegram room, or you can submit a help desk request at the top right corner of veridao.io. Thanks much, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.